Two most common, and thirdly, the most easiest way to fold your dumplings. So you take your momo, add the stuffing at the center and start pleating it. But you don't have to go the entire circle, just pleat half of it or maybe 60 to 70%. And once you're done, you leave the rest, just like shown over here. Pleat half, leave the half, and then join it, pinch it together. So there you have it, guys, your perfect moon shaped dumpling. I know pleating is a little complicated, but you'll get the hang of it once continuously make momo, if that is your choice. So you keep pleating one after the other, 60%, and then you leave the rest and then you join it again. Just pinch them together. Make sure you pinch them really together because once it steams, it tends to open up. So now I'm going to teach you the circular version. It is pretty much the same thing, but instead of pleating only 60 to 70%, you keep pleating it for a full circle, like 100% fold. Yeah, and then there you go, guys. You will have a perfect circular dumpling. Generally, in my place, the moon shaped momo would be a vegetarian or chicken momo, and then the circular momo would generally be the pork momo. So you make sure that you put the stuffing at the center and you start pleating. You need not be very quick, you can go very slowly, and then you keep on pleating. You don't leave half empty and half pleated. You keep pleating it, and there you go, you'll have a perfect circular dumpling. And just in case pleating is too hard for you guys, this is, I think, the most easiest way of making a dumpling. So you place the stuffing at the center and then just fold it. Don't think about it, fold it, and then just pinch the edges really well, because once it starts steaming it tends to crack. So you pinch them really well, and at the end join the two ends. I think this is a cute, it's almost like a bowl shaped dumpling. Generally you make wonton of this shape. It's very very easy and it holds the dumpling really well. So just fold the puri, and then you pinch them together really well, and then join the two edges. I think making dumpling cannot be easier than this. The momo recipe has been posted yesterday, and this is how to fold your momo. Okay, happy momo making.